Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be making some looks of people on MSP because I have really nothing better to do, and yeah. So I was just looking at previous looks that I've made in the past, and I came across my old friend's account who I was friends with in 2017, and it looks like she got hacked, and I just want to say I'm really sorry that you got hacked. That's so sad. Like, I remember her as being like, I looked up to her because she always had such cute outfits and stuff. That's like beside the point, but just rest in peace. Yeah, sorry. The first person that I'm going to be making a look of is this person. I don't actually know them, but they're on my friends list, so I knew them once upon a time. And MSP, hello, can I take this off? Thank you. So I don't really have an idea of a theme that I'm going to go for, but yeah, everything's being really laggy right now, so that's not really helpful. I also chose her because she is a level, I think, 23, and so I thought she might have quite a lot of stuff, I guess. So, I'm just gonna go with the flow with this, I guess, and yeah, oh, this hair is, like, really cute. I honestly don't know because I don't have, a theme I'm going with. This is like my hair in real life right now because I dyed it and cut it, so I might go with black hair, or honestly, like, these are all really cute. Like, she has a good style with like really cute colored hair. This is actually so cute. I love this hair so much. I've never seen it though, but like, that's so cute. I think I'm just gonna leave that. That is really cute, but I don't want to use it necessarily yet. It's so scary, like, fuck, I forgot what I was gonna. Okay, so this is a look that I came up with for this person. I don't love it, but I think it's pretty cute. I mean, I went with a very, like, simple, basic, like, pastel blue, white look, because you can't really go wrong with white and blonde and stuff, but yeah. Personally, I probably would not wear this myself, but if I saw someone else wearing it, I think that was cute. So, next of all, I'm gonna do the person that I said got hacked, because I actually checked their account and they still appear to have a lot of stuff, which I remember them having a lot of stuff, so I used to always make looks at them. But I do believe that they had more than this, so I'm not exactly sure if they did get hacked or not. But we can work with this, I guess. Yeah, please ignore the Discord notifications. I forgot to go into Do Not Disturb. This is the look that I ended up making for her, but I honestly hate it so much, and I'm really sorry I ruined you, but it was the best I could do because honestly you didn't have many things I could really work with, so I just made this really basic look, and I hate it, but yeah, I'm sorry. MSP is being really slow right now, but I'm making a look of this person who I also do not know, but they're on my friends list. Yeah, I added a bunch of random people, and as I said, I'm just making looks of the high level people on my friends list because they tend to have more stuff, obviously, and that means I can work with more stuff. But yeah, MSP is just being really laggy right now, as it always is, and I can hardly even do this, but I haven't really been, like, showing me making the look so far, really. I've just been doing it and then showing the end result because I don't want the video to be that long, and I'm not actually, like, trying to make myself be a popular YouTuber or anything. I'm not, like, going to try, yeah. Basically, I'm just making these videos for my future self to just look back on because I enjoy doing that, and yeah. But it's really fun to record and watch back in the future. And yeah, sometimes I just feel like recording. But I think it would be better if I had a theme to work from, because I honestly do not know. It all starts with the hair, and then I have to work around that. But I think I'm gonna go with another blonde hair look for this one. Honestly, this hair is really cute, but like, I don't know. I feel like there could be something better than that. Maybe I'll go with like a platinum blonde, like this. I don't know if that's what you call, but sorry, my mom came in. She keeps coming in like when I'm recording, but it's fine. Yeah. I actually really like this color here, but like I don't like the shape of it that much. This is really cute. I think I might, and that too actually, but I think I might use this one. She has a lot of hairs. That sounds really weird, but actually I think I might use this color, like this. Is that called platinum? I don't know. I don't even know. It just sounds right. I feel like that's what it's called, but I'm not exactly sure. So anyway, my birthday is in 5 days and I have absolutely no plans whatsoever. I don't really celebrate anything anymore, you know? Like when you grow up, things just, yeah, you get the point. I don't know what to talk about really. So I'm just gonna, I'll be back when this look is done. Papa barking out black out, fuck it, I'm blowing her back out, WWE. If she fucking with me, put the pussy on SmackDown, gang, 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 gang. Okay, this is the last final look that I made, and this is definitely my favorite. I absolutely love this, 10 out of 10. I would wear this 100%. Could be better, but I love this so much, especially the third eye. I think it's so cute and amazing, and I just want to say, like, her wardrobe is filled with the most aesthetic colors that, like, are my absolute favorite for outfits. If you're wondering why my look is like this when I, like, looks like this, it's because, I played MSP when I was, I would be, like, 10 and 11 years old, and I had an absolutely different taste than I do now, and, yeah, I never had much money, so I only have certain things that I bought back then, which are honestly disgusting, and I really hate them a lot, but I'm not going to be spending my money on a game that I don't even really play anymore, which is completely dead, as you can tell by the fact that I have 190 friends and none of them are online. Yeah, it's depressing, honestly, but MSP is just so fun to, like, go on once in a while and just make, like, looks of people, so I'm gonna do that more often, but this is, like, episode 1, I guess. And yeah, Melville MSP, I'm, like, obsessed with her again, like I was when I was a child, so yeah, okay. Well, anyway, that's, like, the end of this video, because I gotta go, but see ya. Have a good day, or night, or whatever. Well, Papa perking out, blackout, bucket, I'm blowing her back out, WWE. Alright, so, well, I just turned American there for a second. Yeah, I'm from New Zealand, if you could not tell. People usually say I sound British or Australian, which I don't understand. I mean, I can kind of pick up the Australian, but, like, what? British? Where does that even come from? Americans are so retarded, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna go then, but, like, have a good day, or whatever, and it's almost my birthday, so, why am my blueberries are all shriveled up? Okay, goodbye.